is going on, everybody? Apparently, I ran out of space on my PC um, for videos, so I had to hook up my my USB and configure it to where the the videos go to the USB now. But we're still in these trades, just waiting to just looking at price action mainly, seeing what's happening. Let's go. If we can break these highs, that would be awesome. Still in these trades here. Price target is just 520.97. I don't see why we won't get there with all this volume we're getting. Floating about $130 in profit. I might bring my stop up here to break even. Or just average my stop up before break even now, so I won't take that much of a loss if it does go against me. But so far, so good. That's what I'm looking at. I also don't want to try to seem greedy. That got me in a little bit of trouble yesterday. But I mean, we have the volume today, it looks like. Just need a little bit more follow through. How much did I buy these SPY contracts for again? Bought it for 164. It's at like 180, 190. I'm up about $26 on that. If my SPY price targets hit, I might consider closing the futures position. I'm gonna just put my stop at break even. I don't want to take no loss on my futures account. Really don't want to go back and forth adjusting it. might take some profits here. QQQ is moving up, but SPY isn't. Here we go. We just need this push up. Here we go. Just need some follow through, man. SPX looks like it has room. Might consider taking some profits, honestly. But I don't want to paper hand this because we're not at my price targets. We're so close to price targets, but we're just like stalling. Price is just stalling. I need price to hit my price target. That would be awesome. Because I don't want to paper hand this, but I also don't want to let the trade go against me, if you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do for my futures is bring my stop up more. Just in case we have a pullback I don't like. Stop me out in some profits. Come on, let's go. SPX is starting to move. Let's go. I might take profits here. I'll hold the SPY position. QQQ position is up $54, so I might sell that here. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this QQQ position. I made $55 on QQQ. $55. I'm still floating around 20 something dollars on SPY. I think since I took that QQQ position off and secured that $55, I feel a little bit better about holding this SPY position. So far, so good in profits on MES by like $168, as you guys can see. Stop is in profit, so even if it does stop me out, I'll make some money. Not too worried about that. Right now, I'm just managing this SPY position. I sold QQQ under my take profit level. Still has some room to go, about 40 cents, which could have paid me out a lot with QQQ, but I wanted to take some profits to calm my nerves. I don't like how we're just stalling here though. Looking at volume. I don't like how volume is like just decreasing. But I'm just watching carefully. Because we're still in an upward trending fashion. But that's why I like QQQ, because it moves, it pays out more than SPY. I might take this here, honestly. Looks like we got some wishy-washy business going on. I was going to take it, but if we kept failing, but buyers sort of coming back in now. I should have held on to those QQQ plays, but it's all good. I'm not tripping. Still in this spot position here. See, I just don't like how we keep rejecting. That's why I'm considering taking profits under my key level. SPX is giving us the same business here. And we're just like kind of wicking. Honestly, with this wick action, I might consider taking these profits because we're having wick action that I really don't like. And I could just consider re-entering. Yep, I'm out. So far, I'm up $81 on the day. Lost 100 yesterday. So technically, I'm only down $20 on the week. That is not bad. But yeah, other than that, I'm done. Oh, let's check on the other trade. Might close this here, this futures position. Either I'm gonna close it or I'm gonna just leave it here. So as far as my futures position is concerned, you guys can see this. Ooh, $200.
Order filled.
Closed it. Closed it for $200 on the day. Although I just probably paper handed that, but I told you guys if I was out of my positions on SPY and QQQ, I would like to be out of it on my futures. And plus, I'm trading small on my futures anyway. $206 is a lot for me right now on my futures. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will be back during Jay Powell's speech, so I should have another part of the video for that. I'm gonna see if we have any opportunity. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. What is up, everybody? So a little bit of news right now. So Jay Powell's speech really didn't do much. He probably wasn't talking about much of anything, if that's the case. But I was at the gym, because I wasn't about to sit here and wait for that. This was around the time, the 9:10 to 9:30ish area. It's around the time he spoke. As you guys can see, my original price target for those plays was this 520. I cut my position in this area, if I'm correct. Yeah, if I'm correct, I cut it in this area or this area. But you guys see that on the video. Um, so it was a valid sell, honestly. Made $81 today. I also got the video out to you guys about my loss from yesterday. My computer has just been tweaking because like I, when storage starts to run out, your videos start to tweak. So like I'm missing footage from today's dub that I took because the video footage is corrupted because I don't know. I'm not a, I studied IT, but I didn't really go that deep into it, but it's corrupted. So I can't get that footage. But I still am glad I got some footage out to you guys today. Um, the QQQ plays I sort of paper handed slightly. I sold in this area in on the Qs. Let's just go right here. I sold in this area of the Qs. I got in on this candlestick right here. Sold in this area. I didn't want to risk the pullback in that area, as you guys can see, with a pullback. And if I was putting my stop loss anywhere, my stop loss would have been right at this key level. And it would have ticked me out. That's crazy. It would have been somewhere in this area. It probably would have ticked me out. So I'm glad I took my profits at those recent highs, honestly. Can't catch them all. And remember, everybody, this isn't Pokemon. We can't catch them all. Just gotta catch them all. No, we not doing that around here. You feel me? We just taking our dub and we walking away. Simple. And I didn't want to risk the pullback. And price is just in between this zone here, this 442 to 443 zone right there. But yeah, made $200 on my MES trade, so that was pretty good. But yeah, and you guys see earlier when I tried to go short on QQQ, it just it blew up. I'm like, whoa, I had to get out immediately, bro. I didn't even have time to set a stop. That's how fast that joint went up. But it's all good. Yeah, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Remember, you don't always have to be there every time J Powell speaks. As you guys can see, it really didn't move the market quite much of anything. I mean, you could have gotten these shorts there. That could have been a play and maybe a long right there, but it's just not ideal. You can't be there for every move. And, I told you guys earlier, I said, if I make, what I'm looking to make, basically, I probably won't even trade. And that's what I did. I made what I made, went to hit the gym. I still got to go to school today, but, I'm not looking to trade anymore today. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.